Mother?
What?
Father?
Well,
Father?
again?
Well, it's a discipline, Father.
Like what?
I don't... It's a discipline, Father.
If not important, how can I put the paper?
Better know, Father. It's about money.
Money? What money?
Well, you see...
When you see NDC here?
It's about money. I need money, Father.
Money? You're working already, right?
Yes, but it's not enough.
Money again.
Again.
How much you're earning now?
800, Father.
800?
Almost like it's almost, but you don't understand me, Father.
I don't understand.
Oh, you don't understand. You misunderstand me naman ngayon.
You just say, and not understanding pala. Pick up your mind word.
Well, what I'm driving, Father, is well, you see, Father, what I'm driving, I want no allowance.
What allowance? You're earning as much as your father. How about your allowance?
I have many services, I have many expenses, Father.
Have you got saved in the bank?
How can I save anything in the bank?
You have not anything in the bank? What kind of gift do you girlfriend? Flowers? 20 or 30 pesos flowers? Que hombre este, when I was burning your mother. I was only give money or malo.
Yes.
Wow.
You always know what my mother used to say after you. Nauwi mo na nga?
Yes, but this our son is burning as much as the father. And he didn't give a centavo for our house expenses. And now, he wanted your whole allowance. Where do I think you get that?
I know a place where children work and don't eat their parents.
Where?
Let's see it as
Where?
in the Philippines.
Oh.
You're not going to get this.
But Father,
If you don't mind, try the taxi and take a jeep.
Jeep, dito visiting a girl?
Whatever.
What? That's his fault.
Ha?
I'm calling the servant.
Que pobre with the servant and have a name take to the owner of the house.
By the way, I'm going to take you out soon. You broke your plate.
Again? Why he always breaks my plate? But you, Robertine, Nena, he didn't break your plate. No, but only my plate.
Yes, Nora. Of course. The one that is on the right one. Yes, Don Francisco.
Yes?
I'm talking to the servant.
Oh my God.
When
Oh my
we're
God.
not. I said it there. Qué estúpido. Go out and mix it. Mira.
Hey you!
Yes, Mira.
I'm not señorito, I'm a senor. And the man is a senora, I'm senor, okay? Where's Nena?
Sleeping room.
At this time it's 11 o'clock.
And how it's Sunday.
As you're wearing mask.
I suppose she did that in church.
Nena, go to the party last night, right? I hope nothing happened.
What could have happened? We discussed it already yesterday.
Yes, but a Filipino, imagine a Filipino girl going to the party without a chaperone.
It's the first time.
Yeah. I hope this will be the last.
Then, after all, she did not go out with her. Well, she
Yes, but these two girls arrived on our boat, right? They teach us those wrong things.
Wrong things? Which such references? Are you through with that? I made it last night. Last night? But I forgot it. Where? So stupid. One step at a time. All right, calm down. My God.
Dave,
Yes, Leo.
I'm not senorita anymore, I'm senior.
Okay.
Now, I will change your name. From now on, I will call you Francis.
This?
Yes,
Bagay ng Papito.
because I don't want it. Now get out.
Father, I cannot get a taxi.
Your mother wants to take a jeep.
But I'm visiting my girlfriend.
At this time, it's nearly lunchtime.
She called me up. She wanted to see you right away. And it's very important.
Very important. You going last night to the party, right?
Yes, Father, we did.
Somebody at the door. Francis! Francis, Paquito! Francis dito! I'm not senior dito, I'm senior! Go to the door and tell it, who's knocking? Then, tell to her to sit down.
Naging lalaki si Glenn. Ano si Janita?
What do you want?
What the hell? What do you want, Eddie Manners?
What do you want to ask?
Who's going up now?
The senora, of course.
Why? Is she a widow?
And then,
Tell her, senora, I want to see her.
who's senora?
Who is the girl that she have in this house?
There's Senora Petra, Senorita Elena.
Stupid! Call Senora Petra!
Okay, here's a cigar. Yes.
Wait, good morning!
Good morning.
I was so beside at the door. Yes. I stood beside this wanted muchacho. I want to open. I'm applying.
Are you going?
I'm applying for the job.
What job?
That?
Me?
Yes, that's what I mean.
Oh, you mean
Oh, senora, don't be insulting me. But I want you to call me in Europe. Like in Europe, mayordomo. Mayordomo, you know it.
Oh, you mean...
Yes, that's what I do.
Well, for a minute, I could use the question there.
That's right. A girl was talking to me that I was a very good looking. Residentially, my mother wanted to learn one residential.
President, you mean the president of the Philippines?
Yes, why? Is there anything in that?
And you wish to work here as mayordomo?
That's it.
What can you do?
I can wash your house with your alone. I can accompany the children from movies or from parties.
Okay.
I can do anything and Julia University.
Never mind your social accomplishments. What's your name?
I was baptized Marcelino, but my mother called me Pablo. Because she and my other brothers spent 2 years in jail. And my friends call me Paul.
Okay, I'll pay you 8 pesos.
I take a job.
Good, you can start by washing your dishes.
Dishes? But we do it in lunchtime. How can the dishes from breakfast will be washed yet?
No, because our servant is always brings something. So I told you that to wash your dishes.
I wish I could come before after the dishes been washed.
All right, ask Francisco.
Oh, yes, senora.
Oh, good morning. Have you waiting long?
No, I just talked to the senora.
Take your seat.
I will.
How comes some business?
Business? Ah, my business to sir.
Oh, that's good.
It's very strong. I wonder.
Like it?
Yes, but I'm certainly going to buy exactly like that.
Thank you for invitation. They say Douglas for flattery.
But I think if I buy this, I'm more expensive like that.
Undoubtedly, you must be a man of peace.
Oh, please? Oh, you're... I persisted the name so much.
Francisco, I am Francisco.
You're Francisco?
Yes, I am Francisco.
Okay, well, if you're Francisco, the senior told me the instruction.
What kind of instruction?
She told, I suppose, she will instruct you to wash all the dishes and all sort of things.
Dishes, all sort of things? Oh, well.
Are you the servant here?
No, I am the owner of this house.
No, no, yes, excuse me, I think this way to the kitchen.
Petra! Petra! Petra!
Oh, sexy baby.
Oh, so you're awake. How's the morning life? Mother, we're still dreaming. Probably your brother birthday is to be married. Francisco!
Oh, you were just eating a breakfast?
Breakfast time is really well.
How was the party last night?
So,
Oh, where's my cedars here?
why? There's half downstairs.
Papadase? I only smoked one so far. I wonder if it's
I'm still asleep.
Lena, sit down.
Where is it, father?
You went to the party last night, right? Anyhow, this will be the first and the last without a chaperone.
But there's nothing wrong, father, after all. I just needed your... Yes,
Oh, so you're awake then now. How's the party last night?
so...
What are you doing here?
I could not a taxi. No money. Anyhow, I accidentally met Fred's mother a short while ago.
First mother.
Yes,
Wait,
and she was near Martinez taxi station.
how were you doing at the taxi station?
For a relative, I suppose.
Anyhow, Fred's mother,
What about her?
she was coming today.
Fred's mother?
Yes, father.
Did you see where she was coming?
No, but she seemed sort at me, and in fact, she seemed sort at you. And you, the father.
At me?
Yes, father. And she said, tell your father Kiko I want to meet you.
She called me Kiko.
Yes.
She didn't call Don Kiko at least.
No. She said Kiko.
Lunch, sir.
call me?
My name is Francisco, but the senor calls me Francis. But I prefer Paquito. I once had a mother boss who used to call me Frankie.
Funky style.
The senora wants me in the dining room
Or what?
to serve dishes.
That's your job. I'm not a muchacho here. I'm a mayordomo.
Oh, didn't you answer that sign over there, Juan de Ignado?
Yes, why?
Then you're a muchacho like me.
I want you to understand that I am not a muchacho. I am a mayordomo.
Oh, you look like a common muchacho.
Don't touch me. Don't use your. Don't let me catch your word. Using the word again, ha? Boom!
Muchacho!
Pasok na! Pasok! Hey! Yo!
Petra. Petra.
Ano sila? Nandito sila. Nandito sila.
Oh, where's Doña Petra?
She's in the, sit down.
Call Senora and mind your own business. So, it's you. You're working here. Sure you're ringing.
Why?
After treating you so well at home as a muchacho, now you come to work here without even leaving your payroll note?
Erwin, no. I'm not a muchacho here, ah. I am a mayordomo.
Wow, mayordomo, mayordomo. Hey! You may go, Paul.
Yes, senora.
Oh, good morning.
You wanted to see me?
Yes, you and Petra. I'd rather remain studying.
This is your son?
Sungit.
I imagine.
So, the lodging is my son. Ah, so he is your son. Supposing he is, and what's that to you? Sit down. Are you trying to insult me by implying I have no chairs at home? What can you do? What do you want?
What do you want?
The secret as her.
Speak up, Lisa.
Wow, your son. So you and your daughter Nena had sex with my son. Well, want to book him?
Check.
What are you talking about?
Call Nena. Nena! Nena! Robertine, call Nena.
Yes, mother.
I will sit down.
I will sit down under the car.
Ikaw na.
Nena, this lady want to talk to you.
That's it.
Friend, tell her what is all the mystery about? My son and your daughter.
They went to the party.
Yes, they went to the party, but how did they go?
Your son have a car. Maybe they take a car.
Of course, my son's a car and he told me for mom, that isn't the point.
What's the point then?
That's what I came to find out. Nena, what happened? Happened? Happened, yes, last night. What happened? I'm asking you. What happened, Nena? know it. How dare you shout at me? Check! My father like that, Naina.
Bobo is stupido, standing there like a statue.
Statue, what statue?
A statue like a dumbbell.
Gaga!
Hey, you! Don't start calling my sister name,
He
okay?
started it. Your son took my daughter out to the party last night.
I know it, and why do I know your daughter to go alone at a party?
Oh,
Naina is
nanay sa nanay.
but my vision tells me there might be wrong.
Shut up, Fred! Hoy, Mama! You might allow your daughter to go alone and shop around and with very respectable son.
What's respectable about him?
People saw them come last night, go to a party at Chaparral. Yes, at Chaparral. So imagine a girl going to a party at Chaparral.
My daughter was your son, wasn't she?
Unfortunately,
And what's the wrong of that?
people saw them come last night.
But what happened?
Fred, what happened? Nothing. Why do you think something happened?
Nothing.
Nothing. Ouch! You son of my third husband. Why didn't you tell me that something had happened? I tried to tell you since this morning, but you gave me no chance.
You mean to tell me you came here with nothing? Absolutely nothing happened? Oh,
Well. I wouldn't be too sure that there's nothing absolutely that happened. And besides, I need to be careful. Yes, very careful about my son's upbringing.
Upbringing. Your son? Your son's very stupid.
What? My son is stupid?
And definitely,
As stupid as you are.
That's me?
and positively,
Mother! Hoy! Mother! Lunch is served.
It's your fault, Nana.
what do you mean my fault?
It's not very crazy if I'm not a gentleman.
Hey, you! I stop your president. My mother said no gentleman thanks.
Go, go, go. Grabe.
You two of you should advise your daughter to stop going to a party. People gossip and include my son.
Mind your own business. Tell to your son, stop looking down to my daughter.
I never saw such people. Check!
Get out of here before I call the police.
The police, Mama! The police! Bring him in! Check! Paul!
Who's Paul?
Yes, señorito.
Kindly escort these two people to the door.
Yes,
Rapidly,
señorito.
Paul, rapidly.
Canalla, I suppose that this may muchacha to come here with me?
Hey, I'm not a muchacho. I'm a mayordomo. And in fact, Doña Petra paid me 18 pesos a month. 18. And you, 50 pesos only. Cheap naman.
Well, Amy Amanda, how did you get that much, huh?
Doble Dolores de Cabeza.
80 a month? Check! Check!
Hoy, mga po!
Check!
Isa pa.
Can you imagine the incident? Check!
That's what Nena got to the party. I told you, Petra.
But how could I know if Dolores will make that comment to us?
Do you want me to break Fred's neck?
You should have done for that thing, son. Your mother reflected as starting your working. My son.
Che!
Bye. The truth is that I was with Fred during the party and we left him. Left him? Where did you go? I came home to take a plate downstairs. Mother had been trying to understand. That's why he told his mother and...
I, Eva Mia, you're in. Now. And this will be the lesson to you.
Check!
I sorted them out already. What do I do now?
Give me one more dishes.
Huh? Dishes?
Hey, where did you get the seahorse?
That? Someone gave it to me.
Who?
Francis, senor.
Ah, Francis. Mayordomo is house, mayordomo.
Hey, Yorko! Yorko mo!
Kunin ko lang.
Ayun nga ba?
Dito ko dyan.
Get back to the usual practice. We're going to do the ceremony tomorrow. Yes, I saw when you had to wear with you for a while.
Guys, hindi ito po sa hindi natin naman.
No, make another wanted a chaperone.
What did they chaperone?
Yes, for our daughter.
Okay, but wait. I, her mother, chaperone? Hindi. Che, gulo niyo?
Puro check.
Kubertin! Kubertin!
What is it, mother?
Isn't that your girlfriend, Tia?
Hirap ng dalawa.
Oh, yes. Yes, why?
And who's the old man now with her?
Sir, father.
I'm scared something.
Oh, yes, yes. It's scary again. I'm telling you now.
I bet now we need to chaperone. Check!
Check.
The title is Che.